In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy YouTube Premium. Now, I'm going to be doing this on the YouTube app, but there are other ways you can do it by buying it on the desktop. But if you're interested in doing it on the app, then go to the YouTube app, go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you've done that, you can then scroll down and you'll see Get YouTube Premium. There aren't many buttons on this screen, so you should be able to see it. Click on Get YouTube Premium. And then you can see the price. You can see that you can cancel anytime. Now the price is going to be different depending on where you actually created your YouTube channel in and what country you're currently residing in. So it is a lot cheaper for other countries, but in England it's $16.99 a month. So click Get YouTube Premium, choose the plan. I'm going to choose individual. We can then click confirm. And what we can do now is we can essentially just double tap it with Apple Pay. Now this is provided you've got a card on file on your phone, which is going to be connected to your iCloud account. And there you go. Once you've done that, the payment should then go through. And there you go. We're now all set. We can click OK and it's going to activate our membership for us. And we've got a welcome email here welcoming us to Premium. Now if we close out a YouTube app, we go and open up YouTube again. Here, if we go back to our channel page and scroll down, you can see your premium benefits, and that is how you can buy it.